All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Friday idiom. So on my best behavior. On my best behavior. To act. Act as good as possible. He is on his best behavior. Yeah. I will have to be on my best behavior. Yeah. I should not be naughty, but be on my best behavior. Yeah. Yeah. Very good. Very good. Very good. Yeah. Yeah. Our best behavior. So let's have a look. Here we are. Perfect. There we are. On best behavior. Yeah. Very good. She was on her best behavior since yesterday. Yeah, her best behavior. Yeah, her best behavior. Very good. Her best behavior. Yeah. So she had to be. She had to be on her best behavior because she could get a gift, a present, if she was. Yeah. If she was not on her best behavior, then she'd be in trouble. Yeah, she'd be in trouble. But luckily for her, she was on her best behavior and was rewarded. Yeah. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? We know that you were on your best behavior. Yeah, you were as good as possible last night. We all saw that you were on your best behavior. Yes, we all saw it. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, on my best behavior. Now, can you write it in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.